Hey. Alright, so I got a little thing I'm working on here really quick, and that would be this right here. I'm gonna see if the Freiburger trick of like kind of your comet wash will take that off. Well, I'm not using comet, I'm using Barkeeper's Friend, and then water here and sponge here, with a lightly abrasive side. And so we'll see how that goes. So there it is. I'm also recording this on the GoPro, which I will probably combine video so you guys can see that way. Alright, so what I've done is made a slurry with the Barkeeper's Friend and water, and I rubbed it on here, and now we're going to clean it off, and we're going to see how it goes. Oh yeah, that's way better. You can even see some of that color. Now, of course, it didn't do as good of a job in the first take as I would have liked. So the first mistake I made was I didn't wring out the sponge. So let's see. There we go. All right. Well, I could definitely see a lot more of the blue, and it is doing a decent job. So, I mean, yep, Freiburger's Comet Wash, or, Barkeeper's Friends trick. I knew it was going to be alright, because Freiburger wouldn't recommend it if it was going to ruin stuff. That's not too bad at all. And I've definitely been more curious about some of this interior coloring. That, I think, is a definite step in the right direction. Heck yeah. That's not bad at all. So I think a little bit more, and it'll really come out. So, Comet Wash for Barkeeper's Friend, totally. Okay. So after the application of the Barkeeper's Friend and a little bit of cleanup, we're left with a little bit of residue here. Ignore my mess. So we're going to try and clean that up really quick with a little bit of simple green and water and some paper towels and see how that looks. Okay, so you can see right here it looks great. Right here it looks really, really good. It looks like there's a little bit of discoloration right here where I scrubbed a little harder. It is really smooth, really nice. So I don't know if I need to hit here a little bit more, or maybe I should have hit here a little bit less. But compared to what it looked like, that's a heck of a thing. So awesome.